Hey there! If you are looking to secure your app and manage access effectively in Microsoft Azure, you are in the right place. It's all about creating a secure environment where only those who need access can get in. Let's dive into how you can set this up, starting from the ground up. We often overlook how easy it is to gain access to our apps, but in reality, it's a security risk that shouldn't be ignored. Implementing access management is vital, especially if we want to keep sensitive information safe and remain compliant with legal standards where data breaches are taken seriously. So, let's start our journey on this access management adventure in Azure. First off, you need to understand RBAC, which stands for Role-Based Access Control. It's like giving keys to the right people so they can enter specific rooms, or in our case, access to manage certain resources in your Azure services. It's critical to define clear roles with no more permissions than are strictly necessary for a user's job. The less access they have, the better, so when we create those roles, we assign them just enough privileges to perform essential functions but nowhere else, right? Diving deeper, we look at how we create roles tailored to our Azure environment. Azure has predefined RBAC roles like those for contributor and user, but you don't have to stop there. You can define additional custom roles for distinct privileges that match your business needs uniquely. When you customize these roles, you need to be careful. It's a delicate balance, ensuring flexibility without compromising security. Next on this path, we are talking about scope. Not every resource in Azure needs a unique role, and that's where we can group these resources logically together. For example, when we work with multiple storage accounts in Azure Blob Storage, we can set one role that allows the right level of access to all blobs across these accounts. It's not only efficient but also simplifies managing permissions, preventing redundancy. A strategic move is leveraging managed identities. No more hassle of managing usernames and passwords because Azure has your back with this powerful feature. Managed identities automatically assign identities for common Azure tools and services, linking those access rights. Imagine it as a self-service portal for access rights. How cool is that? Also, let's not forget about conditional access. It's about not trusting blindly. Conditional access policies introduce risk-based controls, ensuring proper authentication methods are in place before users can access resources based on context like the risk associated with geography, user account risk level, and more. We are creating a trust but verify mindset here to combat potential threats. Azure's audit logging gives us some solid footage of who's been doing what and when for a quick look back, which is fantastic for detecting anomalies. It's our virtual detective tool, uncovering potential missteps where privileges are misused or something doesn't quite fit the access rule. In my experiences, I've seen advanced troubleshooting come into play when things don't go as anticipated. Diagnosing login failures or resource management issues involves a solid understanding of the logs and Azure Portal's analytical tools. Now, before you wrap your head around these steps, remember to document your access management strategies. It's like creating a map of where access points are and who has the keys, ensuring that next person taking over is well guided. In the grand landscape of access management, Azure provides more than just lock and key. It's about understanding and respecting the balance between usability and security while being able to roll back changes if needed. It offers a spectrum of tools and features for robust access controls, from granular permissions to advanced threat protection mechanisms. You don't just secure your app in Azure. You are establishing a culture of security mindfulness. It's all about continuous learning, improvement, and being proactive, not reactive, in your approach. And remember, the goal here is always the same. It's to protect your resources, ensure compliance, and manage risks smartly without hindering your team's productivity. When you are done implementing access management in Azure, visit neeraj.zeo.com, subscribe to TechLab, and share your experience with our community. They'd love to hear where our discussions have taken you and how we can grow together in this world of cloud computing. Stay secure, stay empowered, and till next time, take care. Visit neeraj.zeo.com and subscribe to get the latest insights right in your inbox.